Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion in which we were discussing the chapter number 4. The topic is kinds of adjective. Dear students, in this chapter I have defined the adjective and I have also told you the features of an adjective, and we have also discussed kinds of adjective. There are 5 kinds of adjective given in your book. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and adjective of there are adjective of interrogative adjective and demonstrative adjective. Dear students, in your book it is given only, I think, 4 only. No, only 3 kinds: qualitative, quantitative, as well as demonstrative, not 5. In your book it is given 3. Although there are 10 kinds of adjective, but it is given only 3 in your book. And dear students, after that we have also discussed the degree of comparison, in which I have taught you the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And after that we have also discussed synonym and antonyms, which is given in your book. And we have also completed the exercises, exercise number 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Dear student, today we will discuss the exercise number 4. Today we will discuss exercise number 4, that is given at the page number 23. So everyone just open the page number 23. Everyone just open page number 23 of your English grammar book. Okay, page number 23, and now we will discuss the exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 we will discuss today, and in the exercise number 4 it is given, what is given here? Just see in your book, it is given, what is given here? Choose the correct option from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Here you have to choose the correct option. In this question it is given the comparison of adjective. Okay, degree of comparison is given in this exercise, and helping box is also given. In here helping box is also given, and you have to select the appropriate suitable words from the helping box and fill in the blanks. Okay, just see here, first question, choose the correct option from the bracket and fill in the blanks. This is your question. And what is the first question? First question is already solved, and solution is given here. It is ... today. Here 2 option is given, sunny and sunnier. Dear students, there is no comparison. It is ... today. There is no comparison. Therefore, we will use the positive degree. And what would be the positive degree? Sunny. Therefore, it is written here, it is sunny today. It is sunny today. Okay, students, first question is already given, so no need to do. And come to the that was example, not first question. That was example. Now we will discuss the first question. Just see here, first question is given. What is first question? The chair is. Dear students, you can also see in your book the chair. The first question is given, the chair is, and there is a blank. Than that one. Than that one. It is given in the option. There are 2 options is given. Dear students, you can see there are 2 options given. Comfortable, more comfortable. It is given here, comfortable, and there is one more option that is given, more comfortable. More comfortable. Okay, there are 2 options given that you have to fill. Here just see, the chair is ... than that one. Dear students, I have told you while teaching the degree of comparison, I have told you in the positive degree there is no comparison at all. Okay, and the comparative degree there is comparison between 2 objects or 2 peoples. Here we compare one people with another people, or one thing with another thing, and we use, and one thing I have also told you, that how do we form comparative degree? By adding er to the positive degree. Here we add er to the positive degree, and then just after we use the word than, and we are also getting here the word than. It means here we have to use what? The word it is used here comparative form. And dear students, I have told you that sometimes we do not add er, sometimes we add the word more before the positive degree. Before the positive degree we add the word more, and sometimes we add er to the positive degree, and sometimes we use more, the word more before the positive degree. Okay students, so we can see here comfortable, we cannot say comfortabler, that is not correct word. Therefore we will add here more because that is comparative degree. Okay, that is comparative degree. Therefore we will add here more comfortable. So what would be the correct option? The correct option will be more comfortable. We will feel here more comfortable. We will feel here more comfortable. I am writing here, you will write. Okay, from your book it is given already. So what would be the sentence? The chair is more comfortable than that one. Okay, that is the suitable answer, that is the suitable and correct sentence. The chair is more comfortable. I have written here comfortable because there is no space, enough space. Therefore I have written just above of that word. So the correct sentence will be the chair is more comfortable. We cannot say comfortabler. Okay, although there is used the word than, it shows that it is comparative degree. Therefore we will use the comparative form of the degree. Okay, what would be the comparative form? That is positive form comfortable, and that is the comparative form. And what would be the superlative form? Dear students, I have also told you most comfortable. When we use the word most in the superlative. Okay, in the superlative degree. Although there is not superlative, there is no matter of superlative, so we will not use that any word. We will not use the word most. Okay, so here the sentence, the chair is more comfortable than that one. That is the correct sentence. Okay students, so in the blanks you fill more comfortable only. Okay, and now come to the next question, question number 2. What is question number 2, students? Just see here, question number 2. I am writing with this pen. Okay, the fourth question was, the fourth question was question. The fourth question was, dear students, just see here, was the, and there is blank. There is blank. Of all. Of all. Okay, this is the question, and option is given most difficult, more difficult. The option is given most difficult, and more difficult. More difficult. Okay, these two option is given, and the sentence is what? The fourth question was the. Dear students, while teaching the superlative degree, I have told you in superlative degree we add est. Sometimes we add est to the positive degree for making superlative, and sometimes we use most, the word most, before the positive degree. Before the positive degree. Okay. And one more thing I have also told you, that we use the article the before the superlative degree. we use the article the before the superlative degree. And dear students, now we will see the sentence. The fourth question was the. Here the word is given the. What it shows? It shows the superlative degree. Here, and now we have to select. And I have told you that in superlative degree we compare one thing with more than two things. More than two things. It may be 100, it may be 1000, may be uncountable. Okay, maybe number of people. Okay, infinite, maybe infinite. Okay students, so what would be the correct appropriate option? The fourth question was the is written here, so we have to select the superlative form of degree. Here given most difficult and more difficult. Dear students, I have told you in the first question that we use the word more for comparative degree, but here we are getting the word the, so we have to use the superlative form of degree. So what would be the correct option? Most difficult. So in this sentence we will fill most difficult. CULT. Okay students, just see your question. Now what would be the correct sentence? What would be the correct option? Most difficult. Just see the sentence. The fourth question was the most, because there is the word the is used there, therefore we will use the word most. Most difficult of all. Here we are comparing one question with maximum number of questions. Therefore that is suitable, that is the superlative degree. Okay, just see here, the fourth question was the most difficult of all. Okay, so just fill in your blanks. In the question number second you will fill most difficult. What would be the correct option? The correct option is most difficult. So you also tick on that option and fill in the blanks, most difficult. Okay students, so just complete it. Now we will discuss the question number third. And now see the question number third. What is given? Your house is. Your house is. The blank is given here. Then after than, mine. And what is the option given? Now we will see the option which is given already in your book. Further and far. Further and far. FARTHER. Further and far. Just see here students. Just you think that what kind of degree it is. Here we have used the word than. And when do we use? In which degree we will use the word than? In comparative form of degree. Okay, in comparative form of degree or comparative degree we use the word than. And I have told you that here in comparative form we add generally ER to the positive degree. Okay, and dear students, one thing you also keep in your mind that there are so many words in which we cannot add ER. There are so many words in which we cannot add the word more to make comparison, and that is irregular form of adjective that I will tell you later. And I think you have written in your notebook. You can also see some irregular degree of comparison. Okay, you have written that. And just see here in the question number 3, your house is. Here the word than is given here, therefore we will use the comparative. There we will use the comparative degree. And what would be the suitable option? Further. So we will fill here FARTHER. Okay, further than mine. Your house is further than mine. Okay, so just fill here. In this question number 3, we will fill the further, FARTHER, and what is the suitable option? Further. Okay, we will tick on that and we will also fill the further. Okay, come to the next question, question number 4. Now we will discuss the question number 4. And everyone just fill it. In the first question we will fill most comfortable. In the second question we will fill most difficult. In the question number 3 we will fill the further. Okay, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written. Now we will discuss the next question. Just see the question number next. That is the exercise number 4, which is given at the page number 23. It is given at the page number 23. Okay, students, just see the question number 4. What is question number 4? That is exercise 4. Question number 4 is given. Her hair is. Her hair is. Her hair is the, and there is blank, of the 3. Of the 3. This is your question. THREE 3. And what is the option given? Option is given what? Silkier and silkiest. There is 2 options. SILK, silkier. Okay, silkier and silkiest. SILKIEST, silkiest. Okay, silkier and silkiest. That is the option. Dear students, I have told you that where there you find the word than, that would be the superlative degree. And I have also told you that in superlative we compare more than 2 people. Okay, we compare 1 people with more than 2 peoples. In the superlative degree we find the comparison between comparison of one thing with more than 2 people. Just see here, there are 3. Okay, so what would be that? That would be the superlative degree. And here the word the is written here, article the is used here, therefore that is superlative degree. And I have told you we add est to the superlative degree, and in the option it is given silkier, that is comparative, and silkiest, here we are getting est. It means the correct appropriate option will be silkiest. SILKIEST. Okay, so just write down this. Her hair is the silkiest of all 3. Okay, in the question number 4, her hair is the silkiest. We will fill in the blank silkiest of all the 3. Here we will tick on the option silkiest, and we will also fill in the blank the word silkiest. Okay, students, just complete it. Now question number 5. Now see the question number 5. Mount Everest is. Mount Everest, EVEREST. Mount Everest is the blank is given, peak in the world. Peak in the world. WORLD. This is the question. And option is given here, most. What is option given here? Most highest and highest. Most highest, HIGSTEST. Most highest or highest. Dear student, there is confusion. You may get confusion. So listen attentively. Okay, Mount Everest is the. Dear students, is the is used here, so that is superlative degree. And here it is given most. We generally use the most in the superlative degree, but not all the time, I have told you. And what would be the positive form of highest? High. And what would be the comparative form? Higher. And what would be the superlative form? Highest. So dear students, in this question there is no need to use the word most, because we can make this word superlative by adding est. Okay, therefore what would be the correct option? The correct option will be highest, not most highest. Most is wrong here, so we will not write this, and we will fill here. Mount Everest is the highest. In this blank we will fill the word highest peak in the world. Here we are comparing the peak of the mountains with Everest, Mount Everest. Okay, so what would be the suitable option? Highest. And you just fill it here. In this question number 5 we will fill the correct appropriate word, that is highest. So the sentence will be Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay students, just fill it. Okay, in this question you will fill the word highest. Now we will do the next question, question number 6. What is the question number 6? Just see here. He is an police officer. POLICE, police officer. Okay, just see. And what is the option given? Intelligent and more intelligent. Here option given intelligent, and another option is more intelligent. There are two options given, and the question is that what is here? He is an police officer. Dear students, in this sentence we are getting that there is only one person. There is no other person involved. There is no comparison with anyone. So we will use here positive form of degree, and here we will select the positive degree. Yes, here he is an intelligent. We are not, there is no two police officer. There is not given two police officer. There is no comparison with two people. Therefore we will reject this option more intelligent. We can use more intelligent when we compare two peoples. Okay, but there is no two people, so we will reject this option, and now we will use the positive form of degree. Positive degree here. So suitable sentence, suitable word will be intelligent. Okay students, just see, the sentence will be he is an intelligent police officer. There is no comparison at all. That is the positive degree sentence. Okay students, so we will fill in this blank. In the question number 6 we will fill the word intelligent. Okay, and we will also tick on the option intelligent, and we will also fill the word intelligent in the question number 6. Okay students, your homework is to complete the question number 7 and 8 of exercise number 4. Okay, two question I have given you the homework, question number 7 and 8. You will try to do it by your own. Okay, so students, today I have completed the exercise number 4, and the two question I have given you homework, question number 7 and 8. You will complete it. Okay, and you revise all the previous things which I have taught you. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.